Dear students, today we are going to discuss kinetics of decomposition of HI. It is photochemical reaction. Now to derive the kinetics of decomposition of HI, you must understand some important tips. First tip is, first you have to write suggested mechanism of HI. Then from mechanism you have to write a rate law for the decomposition of HI and label as equation 1. Then third point, applying steady state approximation to concentration of H and determine the value of K1 IA, that means intensity absorbed, and this value you have to substitute in equation 1, label as equation 2. Then we get here the rate of decomposition of HI. This rate minus the concentration of HI to the time is equal to 2 into intensity absorbed. Now you have to calculate quantum yield or quantum efficiency. The formula is the rate of decomposition of HI to the rate of absorption of light intensity. Here the rate of decomposition of HI is 2 into K1IA divided by intensity absorbed. K1IA get cancelled. Here the quantum yield is 2. This is too low. Quantum yield decreases as reaction proceeds. It is due to there is accumulation of the iodine in the reactions. So here the new reaction is included in the mechanisms, and you have to write the steady state approximation to concentration of H and derive the final equation. These are the some important tips, and using this you may derive kinetics of decomposition of HI. Dear students, photochemical kinetics of decomposition of HI. For this, the suggested mechanisms for decomposition of HI are, first one is HI reacts with the photons. There is interaction between the HI and the photons. Here decomposition of this HI into H and I. Here H is reactive species. This generated reactive species then again react with the HI. Again here the decomposition of this HI take place into H2 and I. This here is the generated species is iodine I. This I then react with the I to form I2 molecule. Here reaction is terminate. Using the suggested mechanism, you have to derive kinetics of decomposition of HI. Then according to our the tips, first you have to write these suggested mechanisms. Second, you have to write the rate law for the decomposition of HI. Here from using these mechanisms, here decomposition of HI, this HI is interact with these photons. The decomposition of photons into H into I, here intensity is absorbed. Here decomposition take place in in the reactant. Then you may write here plus, here plus K1. Then the intensity is absorbed. In this case intensity absorbs. Here IA is intensity absorbed. Then the decomposition take place in a second mechanisms, here decompositions, and take place this is in reactant take place, therefore you have to write plus sign, this plus sign K2, then concentration of H in one bracket and concentration of H in another bracket, label as equation 1. Now steady state approximation, third point is applying steady state approximation to concentration of H. Here concentration of H, formation of H, here is the formation take place. Then you have to write the with time, this is equal to formation of the take place in product, you have to plus sign, write plus K1, then here is the intensity is absorbed, K1 intensity absorbed. Then in this case the instead of formation of H, here H is consumed, you have to write minus sign consumed, because H is consumed here is formation take place, here is consumptions, you have to write minus sign K2, rate constant K2, then in one bracket H, another bracket HI, you have to write here H and here the HI, this is equal to 0. Then rearranging these equations, rearrange K1 intensity absorbed is equal to, take here side plus K2 concentration of H, concentration of HI here, then label this equation 2. Now this is the value of K1 I value this and put the value of in equation 1, here is the K2 HI, this value it is put in equation 1, we get, put this value, put the value of equation 2 in equation 1, we get the decomposition of HI, this is the rate of decomposition HI is equal to K1 I intensity absorbed, instead of K2 H constant H, you have to write here K1 IA plus K1 IA. Now the rate of decomposition of HI is equal to sum of this, we get here 2 K1 intensity absorbed, label equation here 3. Dear student, this is the rate of decomposition of HI. Here the value is the 2 into K1 intensity absorbed. Now you have to calculate the quantum yield or quantum efficiency. The formula is K1 is equal to rate of decomposition of HI to the rate of absorption of intensity of light, you have to now put the values of rate of decomposition HI. The value is 2 into K1 IA and intensity absorbed is K1 into IA. This the intensity of K1 into IA. Now then quantum yield is equal to, you have to put the values of the rate of decomposition of HI 2 into K1 intensity absorbed divided by intensity absorbed in the reactions. Here the intensity absorbed cancel, we get here 2. The quantum yield or quantum efficiency is equal to 2. This intensity as compared to the chain reaction, it is very low, too low. Why? Because there is the accumulation of iodine take place in a thermal reaction, and the reaction is suggested is the H plus I2. This one is the fourth mechanisms. This is the rate constant of the fourth reactions, HI plus I. Here there is a accumulation of iodine as the reaction is proceed. Here as the reaction is proceed, then the iodine is accumulation of iodine take place. That means here there is recombination of the process take place. Instead of decomposition of HI, here the iodine reacts with the hydrogen to form HI. Here due to the recombination reactions, the original reactant molecules is generated, and this is the reason to cause the low quantum yield. And this reaction mechanism, it is included in the previous mechanisms, and you have to write the applying steady state reactions for the concentration of H. Now here if this reaction is included in the mechanism, then applying steady state approximation to concentration of H. Here the rate of formation of H is equal according to the previous mechanism. You have written the K1 into intensity absorbed minus K2 concentration of the HI into H. Now from this here is the formation. Here instead formation of H, here the H is consumed. Here you have to write minus K4 in bracket concentration of H, another bracket concentration of I2. This is equal to 0. Now here rearranging this equation, K1 intensity absorbed is equal to K2 minus sign, take here another this right side, K2 H into HI plus K4 concentration of H, concentration of I2. Now take common H here, H constant is take common concentration of H. Here K2 into concentration of HI plus K4 concentration of I2. This is equal to K1 IA. Now the value of concentration of H is equal to this is here into these terms. You have to take here left side K1 IA into divide K2 one bracket concentration of HI plus K4 into concentration of I2. This is the equation number 3. Now dear students, this is equation number 4. The value of concentration of H you have to put in equation. Put the equation 4 in equation 1. See here, the rate of decomposition of HI is equal to K1 HI plus K2 H and concentration HI. Here you have to put the value, in this case concentration of H. Then write the equations. Here the rate of decomposition of the HI is equal to K1 intensity absorbed plus here K2 HI into K1 intensity absorbed divided by K2 concentration of HI plus K4 concentration of iodine. Now you have to take common K1 IA. You have to take common K1 intensity absorbed. The rate of decomposition, minus indicate the decomposition, minus sign indicate the decomposition, minus rate of decomposition of HI. This is equal to common K1 intensity absorbed 1 plus K2 concentration of the HI divided by K2 concentration of HI plus rate constant K4 concentration of iodine. Now here you have to divide this numerator, rate of decomposition of HI is equal to K1 intensity absorbed. Here divide numerator by K2 HI and also denominator by K2 HI. K2 concentration of HI. K2 concentration of HI. K2 concentration of HI. K2 concentration of HI plus K4 concentration of iodine into K2 concentration of HI. here divide by K2 concentration of HI, here numerator and here the this side denominator. Then we get the rate of decomposition of HI is equal to K1 intensity absorbed, here 1 plus this gets cancelled 1 divided by K2 constant HI, K2 constant HI get cancelled 1 plus K4 concentration of iodine divided by K2 concentration of HI. This is our final equation. This is our final equation. Now here the rate of the decomposition of HI when reaction is proceed. Here the concentration of I2 increases and the quantum yield is decreases. Here is the concentration of iodine increase take place when the rate as the reaction is proceed. The decomposition of HI is proceed, then the concentration of iodine increases. That means here increasing concentration and there are a recombination of the process take place, and in the product the formation of HI take place. Hence the quantum yield is less as the reaction is proceeds, then concentration of iodine increases and quantum yield or quantum efficiency decreases. This is the kinetics of decomposition of photochemical reaction of HI. Okay, thank you.